I'm doing a game that I have not played in like years right now. Years. And oh my gosh, there's gonna be so many. Wow, there's a slot too. There's a number. How much cat food is that? There's a lot. What? What's that? What? We're having a lot of missions right now. Okay, so Miracle 4 selection. Hold on, is there? Is there legend? Okay. Toaster. Yay. Alright. No. Yes. Okay. Wheelcat. Mert. Isn't that the... Yes. Ooh, isn't this... Maximum the fighter. Beluga! Beluga! We got Can. We got Can. We got Can. We got Driller Cat. We got... That's just gonna be... Doesn't the Captain... No, fine. A bath cat. Nah. Exchange for XP. I didn't mean to do it. I mean, that's good for Maximum the Fighter. Okay, now we have 13 capsules. And this is what I'm waiting it for the fruit. Because that's what I need. I need the fruit. So, storage. Storage, what? Hold on, let's see what this is. Unlock the... I haven't gotten a cat toaster. Yes. Okay. That. Good old that. We gotta make it quick. I'm gonna just battle cat food. Yeah. Platinum ticket. Wait. What is platinum tickets for?
Do you want tahini on the rim? All right. Alcohol. No.
Time to see what that is. What is that? Gaminato. Yes, Gaminato. Gaminato, come on. Whatever. Blah, 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 blah. No. It's been fun and all that. Make sure my coat. Yeah, okay. Okay. Menu. No, I'm just. Fine, let's go to upgrade. Going to Uber Duper. Uber Super. Now I want to upgrade this. Well, yikes. Oof. Oof. Blah, 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 blah. There's not even a Final Four. Oh no, I did not mean to close that. I love these ones. My favorite. They're pretty actually strong. They're pretty strong. Okay. We need no. Okay, now we actually need to start. We really need to. Birthday present. 13 years of fun. Okay, let's see what this is. Cyber's Vengeance. I think I've... What? Hold on. Bad Tours. Tragedy in red. Insane. Oh. It's that one. Come on. Good. Fishman. Continue. Fishman. Fishman. Oh, this is actually very bad. I mean, no prob for the other things. No, it's not. This is actually tragedy in red right now. We can't defeat that. I don't think I try to. Yeah. Conjure. It did a bunch of damage. I hate this. Can I do it again? 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 Yay. I want to do my conjure. Conjure. There. Okay, I'm not spending any more cat food. Nope, 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 nope. Bruh. Bitter irony. That's... Oh. That is... Oh, not you. Pizza! Pizza, pizza, pizza! No. Okay, I hope this isn't 15 minutes or longer. If it is, I'm gonna crash out. Wait, am I supposed to do a certain thing? Hold on. Yeah, they defeat it. They defeat it. No, hold on. I feel like I have a certain Big Iron Dream Team. Isn't this like... So we need black. We need like black and... We need like black and... How do I go to basic order? No. Oh, yes. Dark metal. Let's just do metal for now. Paragon. Black. Dark. Gato amigo. Dark laser. Important. Healer cat. Holy Valkyrie. Pizza, I can't. Where do I replace Pizza Cat with? That dude. Sniper the Heavy. Okay. Let's just do this. Yeah. I don't think I could be able to do this. I can't. I don't think I can. Those very, very strong. Fire. Okay, this is what. Oh, what is it? Conjure. This is what this guy is for. He's very good at it. Not that. Don't fire it. Don't fire it. Oh.
It tastes kind of watered down, actually. This one should have.
Oh no, no, no. Those rhinos. Mr. Rhinos. Those rhinos. Those rhinos. Kajir. Kajir. Oh.
Let me get that out of your mouth. You chew on it, it's not going to work.
Come on. I hope it wasn't 15 minutes or longer, but yes, we are. I might need to switch up strats. Conjure. Oh, no, 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 no. Freeze it, freeze it, freeze it, yes. Oh no. I shouldn't have done that.
Hey, leave Sarah alone, please. She's running away.
I don't even know what this is for. Conjure. Conjure. Yes. Hit him. Oh, yes. Oh, no, no, no. Fire, fire. Come on, Ken. Get a hit on him. Get a hit on him. Yes. Come on. Oh, no. Fire.
I cheated.
He tries to pin the blame on you.
Do.
Oh, no. I can't get past him. So... I just gotta let him do its thing. Yep. Defeat me. I'm spending more. You're dead, dude. No. That's illegal. That's illegal. You cannot do that. That early. Fire. That is not what HP. Finally! That is way over 15 minutes. I just don't know. No. Okay. Thank God. Yay. Hip hop. Who's